Run deals always come with the best deals. So while I was browsing through the website, I was able to find a code for this tea kettle. Yes, 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 I love some tea. All right, you all. So what I really liked about the tea kettle is that I was able to pick the color of my kitchen. So I chose this beautiful blue, this navy looking blue right here. Has some dots, little paint drippings on it. I like that. But I also love this wooden handle right here. This is what sold me. The tea kettle also comes in the color white, milk white, gray, and black. As you see at the bottom, it's stainless steel. I love a great deal. I know you do too. So make sure you're going on Instagram for Run Deals, Facebook for Run Deals, and also checking out Run Deals